Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. AUDUSD analysis today, right? So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. So weekly we are rejecting the EMA. We can see here, so buyers came in on Friday maybe, whatever. Okay, but we closed above the EMA in a daily chart. Okay, so this is your weekly rejection plus triple bottom. Okay, so this low, and this low. So you see here, this low was not, this red candle was not broken by this candle, I believe. Okay, and then this one closed above these two. So technically new low is not created and the price is not able to go below the EMA in weekly time frame, which means we will go up. Okay, it's a rejection. Coming back to daily chart here again, if you see, we have taken the bounce from the support level. That's it. So the price rejected these support levels multiple times in daily. As you can see, 1 2 3 last 3 candles in daily rejected this previous low or the previous support. As you can see now, this line which I have drawn, that's your daily support. Okay, and now we are going up, bouncing off. So coming back to 4 hour, you can see we have a new uptrend pullback and we're gonna go up again. Okay, so your entry is right here. Your minimum profit is until the EMA. Okay, so enter long in AUDUSD, take your profits until this EMA. Nobody can stop you from making money until the EMA. Okay, so if it will cross above the EMA or will it continue the uptrend or not, I don't really care. What I care right now is about the money which I see in front of my eyes. Okay, one more thing here, you can use this AUDUSD analysis for nzdusd as well. So I don't record separate videos for nzdusd, and below the video you can join my Telegram as well. So understand one thing here, I'm too busy during the week and it's not my job to make videos every day. Okay, I do these videos mostly on weekends, and because people are thankless. Okay, what I have observed so far, people are thankless. They think they're super smart, so that's fine by them, that's fine by me as well. But what I am doing right now is giving you free money. Okay, so when you will be watching more videos now, I think I do 6 pairs on every weekend. Okay, so I'm giving you free money on these 6 pairs, which means you can trade these 6 pairs in the next 5 coming days, and you can make a lot of money for free. Okay, So even if I don't send you signal every day on Telegram, but still you can watch my video, because on weekend I am telling you what's going to happen in next 5 days. Okay, so nobody can stop you from making profits until the EMA and AUDUSD. Close your eyes, enter long, have patience, watch, wait, execute. That's your free money, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe, like, share, whatever we discussed in the beginning. Join the brokers for my link. If you don't, then it's your loss, not mine. Okay, it's your loss if I stop recording these videos, not mine. So subscribe, like, do whatever, do your job. Otherwise, I'll stop doing mine.